This is Sledhead, and I'm coming at you with my shave of the day for today. It is Monday, May 29th, 2019. So I did want to say thanks for joining me for the shave. Definitely do appreciate it. Hope everybody's doing well. Not doing too bad here, just a Monday night. Just figured I'd get a quick shave in on the face. It's been a few days, so I just figured I'd get it done. Just wanted to go through some of the equipment we'll be using for the shave today. On the hardware side, razor I'm going to be using. It's my Schick Injector. I haven't used this in a while. This was very kindly sent to me by Cincy Shaves a while back. He wasn't having very good luck with it, so I figured I'd give it a try. I'm not too sure how many uses on this blade, so we'll see how it goes. But yep, looking forward to using this. I forget, it's like an F or a G or something like that type. The brush I'll be using today, Haircut and Shave Co. brush, 24mm tuxedo style knot here. The barber pole handle. Yeah, definitely a nice brush. I like this quite a bit. I recommend picking up one if you ever get a chance. The software here, new products here. I got these a while back, just finally getting around to using them here. This is from a company I didn't really hear about until I went to the East Coast Wet Shavers meetup, and they were giving away, they had some stuff in the goodie bag, like a little sample, and I think they gave away some stuff on the giveaway table. It's Hendrix Classics Co. So that's their Hendrix Classics and Co. Yeah, so this is shaving soap. It's a Barbershop scent, you'll see there. Just a classic Barbershop. So looking for it. This is a 3-ounce container. On their website. Excuse me. I'm going to pause. Sorry about that. I had a frog in my throat there. But yeah, on the website, they offer 2 sizes, 3-ounce or 6-ounce. I believe this was $8.50 for this 3-ounce. So I figured I'd go with that. You know, because I got so much soap, and this is pretty close to 4, so went with that. That's what. Real nice scent here. That's what it looks like inside. Press on it. Firm, but dentable. I'd say maybe a little stronger than mid on the between mid and strong on the scent strength here. Prototypical barbershop scent, you know, like a bergamot, basil, musk. Nice scent though, I do like it. Definitely does smell very good. So the Hendrix Classics & Co. Barbershop shaving soap. So looking forward to try this out. And then I also did pick up a balm they had on there. They have an aftershave balm. That's the logo right there. And this one is Southern Comfort. See if we can get that to focus. Doesn't seem to want to. Yeah, doesn't want to, I don't know. But yeah, Southern Comfort. This is the scent of Southern Comfort is supposed to be cured tobacco and bourbon. So yeah, it's a very nice scent. I do like it quite a bit. It smells very nice. That's what it looks like right there. So you just take a little scoop out with your finger and probably use it. So looking forward to using these both. I haven't tried either one yet. Okay, so Hendrix Classics & Co. Soap and Balm. Okay, so that's some of the hardware and the software I'll be using, so we can go ahead and get the shave started. So let's go ahead and rock the shave out. So first, I'll just take my brush, run it under some hot water here, get it wet. Good. Load up the brush here and the soap. I'm sure that's good. I think I got more than enough. Then I'll get this wet again. I'll bring it to the face. Start building up the lather here. A little more water. Yeah, nice soap here so far. It's lathering up very nicely. I'm gonna call that good. That's looking pretty dang good to me here. Plenty in the brush still. What that got, really. Yeah, real nice. The owner's name is Pete Hendrix. He has a Facebook group called The Selective Shaver. Seems like a real nice guy. He's going for like a subscription kind of service for wet shaving. Okay, first pass. Let's see how it goes here. That's not too bad. This blade, I've been using this one for a while. I couldn't tell you exactly how many shaves are on it, but it's got to be 7 or 8. Getting a little tuggy, but who knows? Maybe I'll try it out. But so far, the soap is working well here. Good slickness that I can tell. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, the residual thickness is just fine. You can see here, there's nothing really there. It seems to be going right over it. I do like the injectors. I don't use them all the time. My dad said that's all he used before he just kind of started using disposable cartridges like he does now. They gave him a cartridge razor in the Army and he stuck with it. Or not a cartridge, a injector. Good first pass, I think. Not too bad. Put a little more water on the brush. Go back. Pass 2. Yeah, looking pretty good. Not a bad lather here. Very nice scent. It stays about the same scent strength when you lather it up here. Second pass across the grain. Yeah, so big weekend here for the shaving world. They just had the big Shave Southwest Saturday. By all accounts, seems like people had a good time. It'd definitely be fun to go to. I know some people have really don't like Douglas Smythe too much. I'm really not annoyed by him personally, but I know some people are, and that's fine. I've heard some things recently that I don't necessarily like, but Maybe I could email him and maybe he could address them himself. He always says if you have anything to say, email him and he'll answer you. So who knows? Maybe I'll take him up on it. Herc Soaps had a live shave with, well, first it was the Sarasota Wet Shaver on Instagram. And then Zingari Man came on and she brought up something very interesting. I can't confirm, I didn't look into it. I can't bring it up either. It's for the live shave only. I'd love to talk more about it, but it's kind of an unspoken thing not to put it in public about PAA. But I don't know, we'll see. Something comes out of it. Looking good here. Enough for 3 passes now, so definitely a good load of the brush. I think that's fine for the 3rd pass. Nothing too crazy against the grain. I also saw that Ken Surfs is the new Big Shave champion. Fastest shave and probably the closest without weepers and stuff. There were 3 people up there. I recognize 2. Ken, and before and after shaves is up there. There's another gentleman I wasn't familiar with. Ken put up a video about it. I didn't get to watch the whole thing yet. I watched some, but I was at work and I had to stop, so maybe a little later today I'll check it out. Yeah, the injector is not terribly aggressive. So this might not be the closest shave. But that's fine. You just deal with it. The world won't end if the shave's not BBS. Hear it though? Pretty enjoyable, but very easy to use. These injectors. I'll have to put a new blade in there though, I think it might be done. So I think I got 8 or 9 shaves out of it. Not bad. Okay, let's just check here. Good. Okay, I think I'm all good on there. So I can go ahead and try out the Hendrix Classics & Co. Aftershave Balm, Southern Comfort. So this is the, not a Barbershop, but cured tobacco and bourbon. So I'll try, I don't know, it does say little goes a long way. Start with a pea size. So maybe that, I don't know. Big pea, I don't know. Here, I'll go with that. Put it in my hands, all of it. Yeah, it feels pretty good here. absorbing nicely. Not greasy now feeling at all. I guess this is Pete Hendrix' favorite. Oh, he has 3. It's like Southern Comfort, Barbershop, and like, I forget, like a humidor or something like that. Yeah, very nice. Not bad. Okay, then while that's drying down, we'll just go through again what we use for the shave. The hardware. The razor is the Schick Injector. I think it's an E or F or a G type, something like that. Did a nice job. Like I said, the blade might need to get replaced here, but it gives a good shave. It's very easy to use. I'd recommend picking up an Injector. They're not bad whatsoever. Okay, and then the brush. Haircut and Shave Co. brush, 24mm tuxedo style knot. Love this brush. It's just a really good performer. No complaints about it whatsoever. Again, the soap, Hendrix Classics & Co. It's the classic Barbershop. Yep, real nice. I'm glad I picked it up. Like I said, $8.50 for this and $10 for the Balm. This is a 4-ounce Balm, I think. So pretty good. I got out of there with a pretty small bill. And the Balm, Southern Comfort Balm from Hendrix & Co. Okay, so that does take care of the shave of the day for today. So I did want to say thanks for checking out the video. I definitely do appreciate it. Please like and comment below. I definitely like, seeing both. But if you can at least leave a like on the way out, that's definitely way to go. And also don't forget to subscribe. New subscriptions, always appreciated. So thanks for that. And again, thanks for watching. Hope everybody have a great night. Have some great shaves.